If you are selling a product that is already for sale on Amazon, even if it is the first time that you were selling that product on Amazon, you will need to make an offer to sell for that product, including price, inventory, and shipping terms, using the ASIN for the existing Amazon product page. These fields required to list your products for sale on an existing Amazon listing are found in the green Offer Fields section in the middle of the Codisto Express Grid when using the multi-edit mode in the Listings view. For single edit mode, you will find these same fields grouped alongside under Offer Fields. Since you are not creating a new listing on Amazon's catalog, the fields in the Listing Fields sections of the Express Grid and Single Edit mode are not required for you to make an offer on your product. The Offer Status column in the Codisto Express Grid will help you determine which further steps, if any, are required before you can enable your offer status to submit your offer to Amazon. If you already have completed product identifiers in your online store catalog in the form of UPCs or EANs, Codisto will automatically match them with the corresponding products in Amazon's catalog. Alternatively, if you already have products in your Amazon Seller Central account that you have made offers for in the past, Codisto will use your SKU codes in your store catalog to match them. When Codisto is able to use your product identifiers to automatically match products on Amazon with their existing ASINs, you will see this green tick symbol in the offer status column next to those products, confirming that Codisto has matched your product with its corresponding ASIN on Amazon and is ready to submit your offer. If you do have valid UPC or EAN data for products that already exist in Amazon's catalog, but Codisto is still not able to match your products, you will see this orange symbol. Simply map the fields where this information is stored using Attribute Mapping mode, updating your sales channel defaults in the Settings view or directly from the product identifier fields in the Express Grid or Single Edit mode. Alternatively, if you have products in your Amazon Seller Central account that you have previously made offers on, but Codisto has not been able to match them using your SKU codes, simply go to Link Existing Listings from the Settings view to match these products. The steps required for linking existing listings are outlined in the previous video in this series. For products that you don't have valid UPC or EAN for, you will see the orange symbol in the Offer Status column indicating that product identifiers are required. In this case, you can manually add ASINs in the ASIN field. You will need to search on Amazon for the corresponding product and copy-paste the ASIN into the ASIN field for that product, either via the Express Grid using multi-edit mode or by using single edit mode. You can find the ASIN for a product in the URL here or in the product information section of the Amazon product page. Where possible, we recommend you update your online store catalog with UPC or EAN data for your products and then return to Codisto so that you can fully automate the ASIN matching process for any future Amazon connections. Once your products are ASIN matched and ready to list for sale, simply enable and publish to create a new offer or update an existing one using the sales channel settings and field rules you have selected for pricing, inventory, and fulfillment options. Once you have successfully published your offers to Amazon, you will see this blue symbol in the Offer Status column alongside your products to indicate that your offer is now live and your product is available for sale on Amazon. Once a product is enabled and published, inventory counts will be synced in real time between Amazon and your online store, and any changes made to pricing in your online store catalog will be updated instantly based on the settings and rules you have selected. To change your offer values for any enabled product, simply change your settings from the Offer Data section of the Express Grid and hit Publish to set your changes live. If you do not see this blue symbol in the Offer Status column for an enabled product after publishing to Amazon, it means your offer was not able to be published to Amazon, and further action is required before Codisto can successfully submit your offer. You can use the Offer Status column to discover what steps are required to do this. Product Identifier required. If you see this symbol in the Offer Status column after you have attempted to publish your offers to Amazon, you may need to repeat the steps from earlier in this video to ensure that you have correctly mapped your product identifiers or manually entered the ASIN from Amazon for that product. Publishing error. If you see this symbol alongside any of your products, it means that Codisto has encountered an error when trying to publish your offer to Amazon. To find out more about the specific error and how to correct it, click on the red symbol to view information about the error and how to fix it. If you are unable to fix an error status yourself, you can contact support from the Codisto Help Center. Out of stock, disabled, price too low. This status will show when your products are showing as out of stock or disabled in your online store catalog, or if you are trying to sell your product on Amazon with a price of $0. If you have correctly mapped your EAN UPC data and Codisto is still unable to match your product with an existing listing on Amazon, you will see this blue symbol in the Offer Status column indicating that listing details are required. This means that there is no product listing on Amazon for that product or its corresponding UPC EAN number, and you will need to create a new listing on Amazon with complete listing information, such as title, category, and product images, before you can submit your offer. If you are selling products from brands that are widely available from other sellers, such as products from brands like Nike, Fitbit, Samsung, or Lego, and your store catalog is complete with the correct product identifiers, such as GTINs or EANs for those products, it is unlikely that you will be required to submit listing field data to Amazon to start selling those products. For example, if your store sells consumer electronics and your catalog features popular products from brands like Fitbit, Samsung, and Apple, it is very unlikely that you would be the first seller to be listing those products for sale on Amazon's catalog. So if you see this blue symbol when you try to publish offers for those products, indicating that listing field data is required, you may want to check that the GTIN EAN data you have in your store catalog is correct, and that you have correctly mapped it to your sales channel listings. If your store is selling electronics features products from popular brands like Fitbit and Samsung, alongside products from smaller, lesser-known brands, when you go to publish your products on Amazon, you may find that you are able to sell the products for more popular brands by simply publishing your offer fields. But you may be the first seller to sell some of the lesser-known brands' products on Amazon, and will therefore be required to create new listings on Amazon for those products before you can publish your offer. So listing your full store catalog may require a combination of submitting offers for existing products on Amazon's catalog and creating new listings and submitting offers for them. The steps to create a new product listing for those products that require both listing and offer data on Amazon will be detailed in the next video.